All right, guys, we're at Joaquin Miller Park today. We just showed up after canceling a ride because there was too much traffic to get out to Tamarancho, but there's a pivot demo, so we're gonna see if we can get pivots, or if not, just do a sick little shred at the classic Joaquin. You know what's up? Miller.
Joaquin Miller Park.
Sick, dude.
Super sick.
Look at his bike.
And so random as well.
I do. I have a shirt.
I've actually never ridden those, but I've heard they're sick. I mean, ridden in the area, but never the campus network out there. Have you done that?
UC?
Yeah.
Yeah, UC's great.
Well, we were not expecting to find a demo.
We were not expecting this at all. We were gonna do Tamarancho, but we dipped on that because of traffic. But we're definitely happy with this.
Okay, look at this fucking bike. It is so OP. Dude, so...
You can straight up ride off a cliff on that.
This is a free ride bike. Alright, let's go.
Here's the steed for the day. The Pivot SwitchBlade large 29er. 150 in the front, 130 in the back. Gonna get rowdy on this thing.
45-minute ultra shred.
We got the pre-workout going in. Let's get a look. We got the pre-workout for the day.
The legal gas.
Some legal gas.
Give me half a more scoop.
Dude, you're gonna be fucking tweaking
I'm
out.
gonna be balling. Alright. And is a little moisture thing in there?
Is the little moisture thing?
No.
Yeah. No, I know what you're talking about. Wait.
You already have 9 supplements. Dude, look at this. Look at this. It's like smoking.
Dude, 1 scoop. Pure power.
One-stop shop.
One-stop shop. That was sweet. Yeah, it was like a little okay, what is this bike, bro? It feels so firm.
Same, dude. Wait, really?
Yeah.
But like, it was fine over the techie stuff.
You're looking very enduro though.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right on. Dude, it's deceptive though because it pedals so well.
Yeah, this thing pedals really well, but you can feel that weight. Like any trail bike, basically. Yeah. Howdy, guys.
Nice bike, nice bike.
Oh yeah. Woo! Howdy, guys. Woo! Oh, not a fan of these grips at all. I'm gonna see if I have my gloves in the car.
Oh, fuck. That was so stupid.
Super sick.
Oh, you feel that 170?
Oh. Yeah, I know, I'm feeling the 150.
Heavy and planted.
The brake turn fast. Like yours.
Super rad. So many people out today.
Yeah, that's great.
Doesn't accelerate too bad. Super sick. Just prep.
Dude, I'm sorry, dude. I'm feeling inspired.
That's funny. I'm gonna quote you on that. I'm feeling inspired.
I mean, definitely, Ibis is a faster bike on this trail.
Yeah, for sure.
Accelerate
The
faster
XC bikes are much better.
on this kind of trail
Yep.
for this park.
Yeah, for
But
sure.
this is hella fun. Should we go normal way or alternative?
I was doing alternative because there's gonna be more people on the
Chilling.
regular. Yeah.
Howdy, guys. All right, Carter. Right on. Yeah, not mine. Roller before that,
Yeah.
and these pedals are super loose, and like it made me unflip with this foot,
Oh shit.
with the uphill foot.
Oh no.
And so the tree's over here on my right, and I'm just all my weight, like sliding off the hillside, all my weight just bearing on my.
But the problem with these bikes is like to feel like you're going fast,
You need to go so fast,
you need to go way so fast.
dude. Otherwise, the suspension feels like firm.
Yeah, these bikes feel real firm. But like once you get like sendy and you're like coming off drops and
It
stuff,
feels so good.
it feels really good.
Alright, dude.
Sick.
What y'all think?
I like it. Yep. Well, thanks again, guys. Super appreciated. All right,
It's the same time.
same time. Ready? Let's do it. All right, man. Sick ride.
Check out the pit bulb up. Do you drive with a gimbal?
No.